Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a chocolate cake. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, let's just dive straight into it. So this is my sieved flour and I have 3 cups of sieved flour here. Go ahead and add my baking powder, and I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Let it be leveled. Let it be leveled, like leveled. This is the second one. So this is half teaspoon of salt. So I'll add it here, half teaspoon. Okay, I'm going to add my cocoa powder. So this is half cup of cocoa powder. So I'll add it here, and I use this brand of cocoa powder. Okay, this is the one I use. So you can use any cocoa powder of your choice. So I'm going to go ahead and add it here. Okay, so I'll just add it and then mix it together. Okay, so after mixing the half cup, so this is half cup, like, can you guys see? And then this is 1/4 cup. Okay, so that means I use 3/4. Okay, for this recipe, 3/4. Okay, cup of cocoa powder. So I'm going to add this. So okay, and then I'll mix everything together. I use 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 of it gave me this. Okay. So I'll mix them together. So this is what you're going to be having, and then let's set this one aside. You're going to get another bowl, and then let's work on this. So the first one we're going to do is I'm using 3 eggs for this recipe. I'm going to go ahead now and crack my eggs inside my bowl. Okay, so I'll crack my eggs here. So this is my 3 eggs. So I'll start whisking my egg here. Okay. So now once you whisk the egg a little bit like this, so we are going to go ahead now and add our sugar. This is my sugar. This is 1 cup of sugar. I'll add it in here. Okay. And then I'm going to, this is 3 tablespoons of milk. Okay, milk here. So I'm going to go ahead now and add it to my cup. 1 cup, and then go in with water. Okay. I'll make sure that the water is full, like full. Okay, 1 cup of water, full. Okay, so I'll add it here, and then I'm going to go in with my vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. So I'm adding 1 cup of cooking oil in here. This is something that you can use your blender for, but I just want to use my hand for this, for the sake of those that think that they can't use hand for it. So we're going to go ahead and whisk this together until we have that creamy consistency, until everything is well incorporated. So once you're done, it's going to be having this creamy consistency. Okay, can you see, guys? So now the next thing we're going to do now is to start adding our dry ingredients inside here. So you're going to add it bit by bit. Okay, so now first of all add, so we're going to first of all add some. So please make sure you don't over mix. Okay, don't over mix. Okay, don't over mix the batter. Okay? So now this is what the batter is going to look like at this point. So the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to go in with water. Okay, so I'm going to go in with I'm going to be adding 1 cup of water in here. Okay. Okay. So please don't over mix. You can see that I'm not mixing it with full force. Okay. So now just add your water, and you're going ahead to mix it already. So this is what you're going to be having. Please don't mix your batter too much. Okay. So this is my pan already greased. Okay. Added vegetable oil, and then I added flour. We're going to put flour into our pan like this. Okay. Please, if you are the type that you love sugar so much, you can add more sugar to your own. Okay, you can add half cup of sugar more. This is it, guys. I'll just transfer to my oven now, but they just took off the light, so I will bake with my cooker. Okay. Okay, guys, you know what happened? As I was mixing, pouring my batter inside my pan, they took off the light, so and I have to finish this cake because it must not waste. So this is the oven I was already preheating, okay, before they took off the light. So we have to continue. What you do is to put salt in here, salt, okay, and put stone, and then just put it. So we're going to just cover it and allow it to bake. Okay. Okay, guys, so this is the cake, and I baked it for like an hour, and here is it. So I'm just going to go in.
So I'm just going to go around with my knife like this and then pour the cake out of the pan. The reason I'm going around so that it will be easy for me to pour it out, okay? Can you see a little burnt at the lower part? And that is because we use a pot to bake, okay? Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with your loved ones, and drop a comment. I love you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.